put any charges on anything without your authorization.
Yeah, thank you. So professional, thank you. I love that.
There you go there.
Alright.
Okay. Let me get a signature here and
Signature, yes.
for the work authorization.
Yes.
Danny, when this machine lights up, it's going to ask you just to sign for the authorization. We're going to order parts and get things queued for the repairs. There.
Alright.
And here is our loaner car agreement.
Yeah.
Has easy tag, so feel free to use that. There's no charge for the easy tag.
Okay.
It does have 3/4 tank. It takes regular gas. Please return it with the amount of gas that's in it.
Okay. Phone, budget phone. Something like that, right? The gas.
It only needs to be at 3/4.
Okay.
You don't have to fill it up all the way.
Okay.
Return it on 3/4.
Alright.
We ask that you please keep it around town, so 50 miles to either your address or the address of the shop.
50 miles a day?
No, the radius, so it doesn't leave town.
Okay.
The vehicles aren't allowed to go out of town.
Okay, that's fine.
100 miles a day is what we request, just so we can keep the
Okay,
miles
that's fine.
down.
Okay.
For the most part, they're for you to use, okay?
Get around here. Yeah.
Signatures on page 1 and 2, and I've got it parked right up front to the right.
Alright. Alright.
There's Keith. Oh, do you want to get to me, man? Be right with you. Today's date is the 11th.
Sorry. Alright.
All set.
Alright.
There you go. And let me show you one thing on the car because it's a little bit different.
Okay.
The gear